help students understand material, organize material, solve problems, follow steps, conduct experiments, and so much more. And it's absolutely transferable to many future careers. So here at Schoolhouse 7, we're going to introduce something known as the Simple Sequencing 7. These are 7 tips for you to help your student learning from home with sequencing. First of all, while at home, show the sequence in things like recipes or the process of making a bed. Use ABC order as much as possible with letters and words. Show that in math, numbers have sequences like 5, 10, 15, and so on. In writing as well, there are things like how-to essays or directions that all have sequences. And in reading, the events in the story, beginnings, middles, and ends, all have sequences. In science, we could look at the sequence of the life cycle or erosion or the scientific method. And then the study of timelines and things like that in social studies where they have dates and events listed in chronological order. So when looking for sequence, look for keywords such as first, finally, next, beginning, and second, and ask questions like what happened first, what happened next, and how was it started. Okay, to end today, I would like to introduce you to Mr. Kyrie Wilkinson, who just used a sequence to get accepted into high school. Kyrie, take it away.
What's up, Western New York? I was recently accepted to Canisius High School and received a full scholarship. First, I set my sights on going to Canisius because it's the best high school in Western New York. My teachers and my mom helped me apply. Then I got my grades up, submitted my application, and took the entrance exam. Next, I applied for a scholarship. Then I received my letter and Gmail saying that I was accepted officially. I made it.
All right, there you go. Notice how he used words like next and then. Those are all sequence words. Congratulations, Kyrie. You earned it, buddy. Now, Western New York, keep reading, keep writing, and most importantly, be safe.